I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 488 Pista versus the Lamborghini Huracan STO. We'll explore what makes these two track-focused supercars stand out, examining their core philosophies and how they deliver exhilarating performance. Get ready to dive into the details of these incredible machines and discover their unique characteristics and what sets them apart. Let's talk power. The Ferrari 488 Pista boasts a twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 engine generating 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. It can hit 60 miles per hour in just 2.85 seconds. The Lamborghini Huracan STO, on the other hand, features a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10, producing 631 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds. When it comes to the driving experience, the Pista is known for its incredibly precise handling and immediate power delivery, thanks to its turbocharged engine. The STO, with its naturally aspirated V10, offers a more raw and visceral connection to the road, accompanied by an exhilarating engine sound. Both cars provide exceptional grip and track-focused performance, but with distinct personalities. Visually, the Pista showcases elegant, functional aerodynamics, while the STO sports an aggressive, race-inspired design with extensive carbon fiber. Ultimately, choosing between them comes down to personal preference. Do you favor the Pista's turbocharged punch and refined handling, or the STO's naturally aspirated symphony and raw, track-focused intensity? Both are truly exceptional supercars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.